Hi, my name is Rirapee Tjimune and I am an analytical lab technician in Namibia. I work in the food industry where we produce beer. So in the food industry where we come from, we do analysis on where we pick up the kind of microorganisms that are in the beer. However, we did not go as far enough as to identify what kind of strain these microorganisms are that are in the specific beers or in our products in Namibia. So thanks to QIAGEN and CERI for this training, we will be able to incorporate the digital PCR in our food industry to a point where we can now identify the kind of bacteria that are in our samples, and we can go as deep enough as to run a lot of samples at the same time. This is going to save us on time, and it's also going to give us results that we can use in the future. So for this training, I would want to say thank you so much to CERI and thank you so much to QIAGEN as well for having me here. What we need to do as scientists in Namibia is to take the step further to get the trainings that we need in order to make sure that science in Namibia is recognized, and just not to be scientists but also to lead as scientists.